Hello lovelies, you're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, I brought you this delicious zucchini recipe. If you haven't tried zucchini, you need to try this. Let's get it started. Those are the chicken breasts I'll be using today. All I need to do is to wash them well, which I have done. Now I slice them into two and I pack them together and I slice them this way. Exactly what I'm doing now. You can see it. It is not too thin and it is not too big. It is just perfect. This is how I'm going to slice them one after the other. Feel free to use any kind of protein you like. You can use turkey, yes, you can use beef, but like I've said, I'll be using chicken breast. So let's get it started. In a pan, add some vegetable oil or olive oil. I am using olive oil. After that, heat it up, just let it get hot and pour in the well-washed sliced chicken into it. You can use any kind of protein of your choice. So when you pour it inside, this what I have in this mortar is onion. Yes, it is onion. I just pounded it and I poured it into the pan now. So I'm going to go ahead and add some salt into it. I'll be adding some garlic powder. Sprinkle it all over. If you love garlic, use this. You're going to like it. I'll be adding some curry as well. It's going to give it yummy color and it will boost the taste. I'll be using seasoning. That's what I've just added into it now. So after that, I'm adding chili flakes. If you want it spicy, use chili or habanero pepper for the heat vibe. Now mix everything together. Take your time to do this. Let them be well combined. So after that, you need to now get your cover because we are going to cover it and boil. Now cover and cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what you're going to have. It cooked so quickly. Yes, chicken breast get cooked so quickly. Now I'm just going to cover it partly and keep it for later use. Yes, that is my zucchini. Those are my zucchini I'm using today. I'm using 2 zucchini. All you need to do now is to just cut the top and the down of it. I know some people call this courgette. Yes, they call it courgette, but we call this zucchini where I live. So after that, this is already well washed. All right, lovelies, this is well washed. So I'm now going to slice it into 2 like this. Can you see how whitish it looks inside there? So I packed it together and I'm now going to slice it just the same way we slice the chicken breast. All right, so this is how I'm going to cut it. It is not too thin and it is not too big, just normal. All right, so that is what we're going to do to the both zucchini. If you have watched up to this stage, that means you are my fan. Please remember to subscribe, follow, like, share, comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. But don't forget to enjoy this. All right, so our zucchini is now ready. In a pot, I'll be adding some olive oil into it. Like I've said, you can use vegetable oil, but we are using olive oil for this. So I'm now going to sprinkle some diced onion into it. Now it's now time to just add the zucchini into it. All right, we added the onions just to flavor the olive oil. Yes, this combo, olive oil and onions, you will love the smell. Now I've added the zucchini into it. I'm now going to fry the zucchini. I'm going to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm sprinkling some black pepper on it. You're going to love this. Now mix together again. Can you see the color? Can you see how it's turned out to be? It's now time to add sliced carrots into it. Yes, you're gonna love it. I'll be adding sliced bell pepper, tatashe red bell pepper, and sliced onion as well. So mix everything together and fry them together for about 1 to 2 minutes again. All right, the aroma I'm having here from this combo vegetables It's amazing. It's a must try for everyone. Don't just watch this. Make sure you get your zucchini and try this. I bet it everyone is going to ask for more. So it's now time to add salt. Mix together. So that is it. Now get a bowl, pack it inside and keep it for later use. Yes, we are still coming back to it. Look at it. Taste it. You will love the taste already. So in that very pot, add 1 tablespoonful of butter, 1 to 2 tablespoonful of butter, and 1.5 tablespoonful of flour, all-purpose flour. Fry for about 2 minutes. Yes, fry it for about 2 minutes in that butter. Now get the chicken. This is the chicken broth I'm pouring into it. That's the chicken with fried and boiled. Yes, at the beginning, that is the chicken broth. I've added it now into the butter and flour. Now mix everything together on the low to middle heat so that it won't get burnt. All right, now mix thoroughly. Can you see what I have? It's now time to add tomato puree. Yes, I'm using tomato puree. Feel free to use fresh tomato that you slice or roughly blended or smoothly blended. It doesn't matter. Mix them together. Feel free to add water. I added some water because it was too thick. So I mixed them well. Make sure, try as much as possible to break any lump in it. So after 2 minutes, that's what you're gonna have. Now I've added chili flakes. I'm adding seasoning into it. More garlic powder. This is optional, but you're going to love it. I love garlic. So after that, mix together. Let them be well combined. So now get our boiled and fried chicken breast, pour it into it, combine them very well, let them cook together for about 3 to 5 minutes again. So after that, get the vegetables and pour it into the sauce. Combine them well together. Lovely. You need to be here. This aroma is everything. It is everything. Now let them be together for about a minute or 2. Tra-la-la. Lovely. Taste for salt. Taste for seasoning. Taste for pepper. If you need more, add some into it. And that is it. Feel free to serve this with rice. The combo is super. You can serve it with spaghetti, with macaroni, or you eat it like that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.